If you want to enable or disable music in FC26, then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways that you can use to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method: enable or disable music in FC26. Run the game. On the top left, click on the gear or settings icon. Navigate to EA Sports Music. Now here, you will be able to view all the music tracks like this. At the bottom side, click on the Turn All On or Off option. Press the S key on your keyboard on Windows. For Xbox controller users, press the X button on your controller. If you are playing the game using PlayStation controller, press the corresponding button. A prompt will appear asking, "Are you sure you want to turn all of the tracks on or off?" Select Yes to deselect all songs. If you want to turn the music back on, you can always re-enable it from the same menu. Open Settings. On the top left, click the Settings icon. Select EA Sports Music. Navigate to EA Sports Music. Select the specific music tracks you want to enable. Press the X button or the corresponding button on your controller to select or deselect tracks. And there you have it, the methods to enable or disable music in FC26. We hope the method has worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which method solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.